atong study is sa Unit 1, Definition and Composition of Soil Science. Now, ang objectives are, what is soil science? What is soil? Fields of specialization of soil science and major components of soils. Now, what is soil science? Soil science, it is a science that deals with the study of soil as a natural resource on the surface of the earth while including soil formation, classification and mapping, physical properties, chemical, biological, and fertility properties, and properties in relation to their management for crop production. Now, there are two approaches in the study of soil science. First approach is pedological approach. It considers soil as a natural body with major emphasis on its genesis, example, ganang asya nagsugod bitaw asya gikan, and classification as it occurs in the environment. The second is edapological approach. It deals with the influence of soils on living things, particularly in plants, including humans, use of land for plant growth. Now, fields of specialization in soil science. First, soil fertility. Soil fertility, study of the status of the soil with respect to the form, amount, and availability of nutrients element necessary for plant growth and development. Second, soil conservation and management. Kanidari is how they protect ang mga soils. Example, protection of the soil against the physical loss by erosion of chemicals. Example, daghanan bitaw kay butang mga chemicals, so acidic na siya. So dili na magamit pang tanong-tanong. Third is soil microbiology. Characterization of important groups of microorganisms in the soil and their role in the physical and biochemical changes. Fourth, soil genesis, morphology, and classification. This deals with the structural characteristic, mode of origin, and systematic arrangement of soil. Soil physics. Now, soil physics deals with the characteristic properties or reaction of the soil which are caused by the physical force and which can be described by equations. Soil chemistry and mineralogy. Soil chemistry and mineralogy study of the original rocks and minerals which constitute the materials from which soils are derived. Characterization of the reaction of the nutrients in the soil. Now, land use. Land use deals with the utilization or allocation of the land for general or broad purpose such as agriculture, forestry, settlement, and military reservation. Now, soil as a natural resource. A resource is a material from which human needs are obtained. Now, ginagamit ang soil for medium for plant growth. So, ahas sila ginatanong ng mga plant para mabuhi. System for water purification. Sample, ang mga hugang at tubig, kumagi sa yuta biya, mga limpyo sila. Habitat for soil organism. Medium for waste disposal and nutrient cycling. Now, naiupat ka major components sa soil. First is mineral matter, organic matter, soil water, and soil air. Na ang mineral matter, man ang mga inorganic or non-inorganic or non-living. Kanang mga dili bitaw mga buhi, example mga patay nga mga plants, anak bitaw. Ang organic matter is kanang mga buhi, mga living things. Ang soil water, water sa soil air, mga gases nga example mga oxygen, mga hydrogen, mga inanap bitaw. Now, mineral matter or organic matter are solids, while ang soil water and soil air are pore space. Now, mineral matter, nasa 45% sa soil, normally composed of small rocks, fragments, and minerals formed by weathering or variable in sizes. Now, organic matter kay 5%. Ang organic matter kay decompose of organic materials by action of microorganism. Now, humus. Humus is a black substance in which the end product of organic matter decomposition, usually black or dark brown in color and colloidal in nature. Soil water. Soil water na 25% occupies the pore space, perform the following function: universal solvent, nutrient carrier, nutrient in itself, stabilize soil temperature. Now last is soil air. Soil air na po 25%. Principal gases present are nitrogen, oxygen, or carbon dioxide. Occupied by the spore space not occupied by the air ay by the water. Ang soil air gahulat na yun na siya kung ahay ka nang wala gikuan sa water bitang spores. Oh, ora to. Tama.